Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you for stopping by. Today we're going to be unboxing the June Lookfantastic box. So let's get into it. So I think this one's $17 a month US. Oh, and it looks, usually it comes in a pretty box like that pink one there, but it's come in like a fanny Ziploc pouch.
Oh, that'll be like the bag that all the...
So that's nice.
Yeah, that's a big...
That's very different.
Huh.
So that's what the month of June looks like.
Really
Sorry,
nice.
I'm a little taken off guard. So let's see what's inside.
Makeup bag.
It is very nice. So it's like a pleather. Let's see what we have inside.
Okay.
Item number 1 is
Face scrub?
by the brand Glove. I think maybe it's a brush.
For your hair?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
But we'll see what
Why
I'm all distracted right now.
Why is there no hand or whatever?
Why don't you just do this like a
Oh,
like
okay.
a dog
Should I not
brush?
have a cover then? Like it's a secret little... It's a big egg. No, it's a hairbrush.
I'm not
No?
sure.
I think it should
But
have
let's
a-
see what else we get.
Right.
Okay, item number 2 is a squeezy tube from the brand Polar. It is a 50 SPF UVA UVB sun lotion. Very high protection. I love a good
50
suntan
SPF
lotion.
is really high.
Hmm.
What's the bare minimum?
I don't know, like 15 probably?
Yeah, I think something. 15,
I'm not
25.
a scientist.
Something.
I think my moisturizer I use every day is only 15.
Oh, really?
Well, it's unscented. So that's always good to have this time of year. All right, number 3 is another squeezy tube from Josh Wood Color. It's the Everything Mask, the color locking, multitasking, deep conditioning treatment for every hair color. Just a little hair treatment, so that's nice. Not very exciting, but it's nice.
That could do like one go, right?
Yeah,
One or
probably
two
with
goes.
my hair.
With your long hair.
A bunch of goes for you, but
Yeah.
for me, not like one. All right, item number 4. Ooh, that's pretty. It's from Molten Brown, London. It's a coastal cypress and sea fennel bath and shower gel. Oh, it's a very pretty bottle.
Oh, wow. Is it oil? It's oil.
It's a gel. That's why it's called a gel.
Okay. So you use it with a
Smells
loofah,
nice.
right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. I like the smell. I'll
Yeah.
use that.
So that's item number 4. Yeah. Okay, you can have that. And then the last item, nope, there's not the last item. Then we have from Aroma Blend, a moisture mask. Rose Damascena flower water.
Really?
So it looks like it's a Korean sheet mask. It's very pretty packaging, isn't it?
Is it one of those ones you leave on your face and then peel it off afterwards? It's like
Yes.
Okay, so it's like a piece of cloth soaked in whatever magical formula they have. Okay.
So this is one, I was just checking, this is one where you put it on, leave it on, and then when you're done you can just rub it into your face, the excess, and you don't have to wash your face afterwards, which I enjoy.
Why would you want to wash all that stuff off?
Exactly.
Yeah.
A lot of them you have to.
Oh, sorry.
And our last item is a little tube. Oh, another SPF something, SPF
Is that
30.
a nasal spray or something? Or what?
Lip
Oh, it's for your
protection
lips.
and care. So it's from Ultra Sun Professional Protection. So that is our final item. So it was very much skin oriented to this month, eh?
Yeah, protecting and enriching.
Yes. So the card that we usually get doesn't tell us anything about the product, so I'm gonna guess this is a hairbrush.
It should be like a Kinder Egg surprise hairbrush, though, in my opinion.
Okay, so they're doing it in digital form for the beauty box edits.
Oh.
For the foreseeable future.
Well, pause it and I'll look it up.
Okay.
Right.
Okay, so we couldn't find any pricing quickly, but I wasn't really a fan of this box, Jason.
I'll use that.
I think that's the
shower
first
gel.
time. I know, you'll use the shower gel.
Yeah.
But like picking favorites, I mean, the face mask, I guess. And then like this.
You don't like skincare products as much as you
I don't like
makeup,
as much
right?
as makeup, but
Yeah.
everything was just meh. So, yeah, wasn't too terribly impressed with the month of June. But I did like this bag, but I'm
That was a
never
nice surprise.
gonna use it.
Well, for traveling, maybe.
No.
Okay.
I mean, I could, but I'm not going to use it. I'm being a little harsh. But, yeah. It's an honest review, and I didn't love it. So, I'm going to give it maybe one more try. I mean, we just looked on the website, and the boxes jumped up to $25.50 a month. And
what was it before?
Like 17.
Oh, wow.
Or 11
I mean, like, be fair. If you saw that package with
I would never spend
random amount of stuff in it, you wouldn't spend $25. No, I agree.
No, like my BoxyCharm's $25, and it's got all full-size makeup products. So, anyway, sorry, rant over. Yeah, didn't love this month, but I do appreciate you watching. And if you wouldn't mind liking and subscribing, you can subscribe here, and you can watch more videos here and here. And usually they're a little bit more upbeat and positive. Thank you for watching.